button. There's the other button. There we go.
Yay!
The buttons aren't labeled.
Oh, God.
Wave to the camera.
That one's button.
What?
Wave to the camera.
Hi.
Is there something else I have to tell you? No, I don't think so. Okay, we're all set. We're all set here. Okay? I think everybody seems comfortable enough inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the introduction here.
Mr. Bentner, you look like an excited 5-year-old.
Excited 5-year-old.
Gwen.
What? It's what he looks like.
Hi, I'm Alan. This is YOUCave. Today we're taking Troop 147 underground, and they're from Washington Crossing Council. Gotta get it right. Okay, and I'm going to introduce you to them right now.
Hi, I'm Carrie, the Assistant Scoutmaster, and I am in the Mammoth Cave, and I have done some spelunking when I was a teenager.
Ooh, do you know where?
Somewhere in Pennsylvania, they've since closed the cave.
Oh, okay. I have an idea where.
Hi, I'm Lori. I'm Scoutmaster. I've done the big commercial walk-through caves, but haven't crawled through a cave since I was in high school as well. No idea what cave it was.
No idea. Do you know where? What state?
State, Pennsylvania, probably the same cave she was in.
Okay. All right.
Hi, I'm Nate. I'm an ASM with 147 VNG, and I've been to Crystal Cave. This is going to be way better.
Way better. I agree. Ready?
Hello, I'm Grace, and I have been to some commercial caves, but other than that, absolutely no clue. I am really looking forward to it.
Very good. Very good.
I'm Abby. I've been to Commercial Crystal Cave, and this is going to be awesome.
Sure. You have too much confidence. Okay.
That's
All
our
right.
recipe out.
All right. All right.
I'm Megan. I have been to Crystal Cave, I think, and I'm really excited. I'm not scared.
I'm really excited.
I'm not too scared.
Tone down a little bit.
I'm Gwen, and I have no experience.
No experience.
No.
None at all. Okay. This will be fun.
I'm Olivia. I've only been to Crystal Cave, and that's it, and I'm excited.
You are?
Yeah.
You're excited?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. So we're all set, and we'll try to bring them all back.
I've tried to do it.
Come on.
Whoa.
I think I'm going to get lost first.
Yep.
Grace,
Yay.
you
I'm
better
going
not.
to fall
I
first.
need
Better not, because then I'm stealing Olivia's brother.
What's in here?
Grace, if you get lost, we all get lost, because you're leading us.
By the way.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm going to need it in a minute. When I go through here, I'm going to go first, and I'm going to ask you just to hold up until I get on the other side and get myself situated so I can sit down and take videos that aren't like all over the place like I usually do. And if I forget your name, I'm really sorry. I'm horrible with names. My grandkids hate that. They see me almost every day and they go, "No, I'm not saying."
Like you don't forget Jim.
Oh, Jim.
Jim Bob.
Jim Bob.
This is also Jim Bob. He is our mascot, and he's awesome.
Our founding mother.
Have you
Mother.
ever been caving? What's his experience?
No, absolutely
No, you have
clue.
to say it's
Well, if we throw Jim Bob, that's a lot of experience.
yeah. What if we just like
wrong with
punted
this?
him down?
Why did it do something weird? It did something weird. Every once in a while, these updates just like.
You want me to
dun.
copy?
I have no
That's
idea what
recording,
that
Grace.
is.
I'm gonna keep talking.
Where's is it Bob?
Jim Bob.
Mrs.
Jim
Jim
Bob.
Why is it doing this?
I'm afraid
Here we
to
go.
go.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. And this is.
This is Mrs. Jim Bob.
It didn't go.
She.
She.
Okay.
Okay.
Right from there.
Hi.
This is Mrs. Jim Bob. She is our mascot, and we probably bought her from Dollar Tree. I don't know. But
we love
she's very
Mrs. Jim Bob.
enthusiastic,
Beautiful.
and she is a second-class scout. She loves camping, but especially caving. Has absolutely no experience, but she is looking forward to it.
Her favorite food
Oh,
is
yeah.
pizza.
And her second favorite food is
Sushi.
bread.
Bread.
Soggy bread.
Yes.
Specifically soggy bread.
Not key
All
lime.
right.
Why did Mrs. Jim Bob have a longer introduction than all of us?
Because she's more special.
More
She's
Well, I'm definitely
She's
special.
our
Very
mascot.
special.
Glow in the dark special.
All right.
That's special.
Oh god.
This is gonna be.
This one here, your light. You may or may not want that on.
Once we're here. Once we're living.
Once we're in. Yeah. Once we're in.
Let-
We see what's going on here.
Guys, I'm gonna.
All right.
Let him go.
Come on down.
Okay, you ready?
It's nice knowing you
Wait,
guys.
now?
Ah.
Adios, amigos.
Come on down, right now.
Maybe you can pass on to Bob, okay? Okay.
Yeah, you can just like tuck them back in.
Yep. All right, you ready, Olivia?
All right, adults, let's go for lunch.
All right, we'll see you back here.
See you in 4 hours. Dad, you're more excited than I am. Oh, yeah.
Okay, this is.
Oh, yeah. Guys, this is the neat stone. Holy cow, that is big.
I apologize in advance for the view of this game,
Oh, I'm definitely falling.
which is my bad.
Guys, I'm so scared there's just gonna
What I want
pop
you to
out.
do, you come up to here so you can see what I'm doing, okay?
Oh.
Where's the big?
You're gonna come through after, when I let you know it's okay to come through, okay?
Okay. Oh,
my
so,
God.
guys, everybody watch what he's doing through here, okay?
Those of us in the back can't see, so we're depending on you to set the good example.
Oh, jeez.
We're gonna die.
Oh,
We're gonna die.
jeez.
We're gonna need to pass him off.
There's like a hole there.
Whoa!
When you get through, I'm gonna pass it back to you, okay?
Okay.
Maybe
Grab
get
the
a
picture.
picture.
Get a
Take a
picture.
picture.
Oh yeah, yeah. Get the picture.
I'm holding it.
This is why I was okay.
No.
Well, there's a little bit on the top, but this is solid.
It's a cave's version of turtle.
Okay, she got it. She got it.
I don't know what that is.
Cave hasn't had a checkup in a while.
Grace, go.
Grace, Grace.
Oh, look at that. Looks like a hive. Right? Like a beehive?
Grace, well, like
Can you guys see the one down here?
Oh, yeah.
It reminds me of
Nice.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, like a coral.
Not living.
It kind of looks like a weird glass, like a foggy.
He's saying at the camera.
It's sort of living, because it's still growing.
Just like crawling through the hole.
It's a byproduct.
Hi, Grove.
Oh my God!
That's
Stop.
a Grove.
Okay, okay.
Hello, GoPro.
GoPro. Ow! He's a good boy! It's ready to gate.
Let's get it started. Huh. Let's get it
All right,
started.
here we go.
All right, Grace, you
Okay,
go.
guys.
Yay, Grace!
I'm gonna watch you.
Oh, yeah, I
pop
might
the
need you to
hole.
I was this up to me when I got up here. I have, this is
Nice, look at that column. That's crazy.
Shiny up there.
Look at all that.
I can't tell, yeah, I can't.
I can't tell if that's poop or something
Look at
else.
how high that is.
No, so that's cobwebs.
Mixed with it.
There's some moisture on it. The like silvery part that's in between the rocks there.
Yes, Grace! Yes, Grace!
Go, Abby.
There you go.
Pass the bob.
Awesome.
Can we just pass the ball back? Yeah, Olivia, no, pass it to me because I can give it to Grace.
I want to see
Wait.
their eyes.
The gym bobbing.
This one's
Just go.
Should I guess?
gotta wait until Abby's like halfway out.
Animal life would just be sleeping.
Don't be a scaredy cat.
Being a scaredy cat.
That's it.
She's a worm!
That's it.
Sorry.
All right. Next.
Good luck, Scoutmasters.
Hey, what are you saying back there?
No, I don't think you guys are gonna make it.
It's a little easier to get through.
You think your dad can do it?
No. Just look at the constellation.
Oh!
Yeah!
Oh my gosh!
I'm in through! Alright, guys, come on up.
Oh jeez.
Oh,
It's really smooth.
Ow!
did you break the helmet?
Surprisingly not.
I was like being on the bunk beds this morning.
Yes, Megan! Push, come on!
That's it.
Turn on your side. You can get your hips through.
She's small enough, she can just step through. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, you should say mine. She's like,
Like a pro.
come on in. The jiggly legs was crazy. Yes, go.
Oh jeez, this is smaller than I thought it is.
No, it's not.
I can't wait to see my dad.
No, it's not. Get on your side.
Guys, I don't think
Okay, here we go, Scoutmasters. Hey.
Uh-oh.
Hey, you be quiet.
Steady now.
That's it. That's it.
Come on, Dr. Under, you can do it.
Got this!
Look at the wall.
Ow. That is so cool. Like the wall.
Yeah.
Mr. Runner, Grace, you're dreaming
You
here.
guys want you can start heading down this passage here, and till you
Wait,
so-
guys, I want to see my dad.
Yeah, I wanna see
where you
my
stand.
dad.
Okay, well, let's scoot down a little bit more so we can get them all in here.
We don't need to get Mr. Whitner in here.
Hey!
There we go.
I don't think
Hey.
he can.
Door number 1 or door number 2?
It's the same prize behind both, so
He's
your
not
choice.
gonna make it. He's not gonna
He's not gonna make it. I'm calling.
There we go.
That was my approach too.
Awesome. Very good. All right, we're gonna go down this passage here till you can stand up, and just till you can stand up. We're not gonna go any further than that for right now,
Left or
okay?
right?
Just right down there.
Like through here.
No, not through there, straight down,
Okay.
straight down.
Ooh, I'm still my
There are
hands.
some people I know
That's
that
tense.
just this is too much.
This is awesome.
Oh, yeah.
Mom?
Meg, go.
You
I had
talking
that
about
happen
another?
before.
He can come
If people get into this point, they go, this is not what I expected. Didn't you watch the video? I've got a YouTube channel, and it's full of stuff.
Where's Mrs. Jimbo?
Oh, you can just see
She
up
has
and up and up.
Grace, go.
Yes.
Wait.
Here and look up.
Some of this is really,
wanna let
really
somebody else
amazing.
try and
stuff.
Yeah, Grace, pass it back to Abby. Abby can hold him for a bit, and then. I don't want him. I want him. Yeah!
Wow.
Get a picture.
Get a picture.
Yeah, get a picture. Meg, you just film her.
Yeah.
Grace, where are you going?
I don't know. Until she can stand.
Perfect. Can you stand, Grace?
What?
Can you stand? No, do not stand up. Do not stand up.
You
were
can
going
see
to
what
hit
they
something.
used to hide things in.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very good.
Like,
Very much.
what kind of crazy people would go in here?
Us. Me.
Crazy people.
I mean, it's literally,
I feel
We're all in
perfectly
here.
safe.
it's literally a bank.
What if I just
Well, that's-
rolled your
isn't
ball?
isn't that
Please
like the
don't.
Wade's thing he always talks about?
Abby,
the
do you wanna go down,
brothers
Grace?
out, right?
Yeah.
You guys heading on down?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, go on down. I'll catch up to you eventually.
Are you okay? Megan.
What?
You're taking my
There's enough room.
Bob. Oh, jeez. Alright, I guess we go that way. Question mark? No, we go up! No, please no.
That'd be so fun.
Is there a place to go, Grace? No, he said stop right there. Yeah, stop here, stop here. Because I don't really know what you're supposed to do.
Meg, what are you doing? Your GoPro is on the ceiling.
Look right there.
Okay.
You guys-
We're gonna crawl through there.
Guys, can move forward up to where Grace is, on that,
Okay.
that
This is Jim.
flat area.
Wait, pass me this is Jim Bob.
Why?
Come on, dude. Climb in.
No, let it go.
Oh, that's cool down there.
Wait,
Whoa,
what?
I want to go down there.
Here we go. Okay,
We
we're
have
not
Miss
gonna
Jim
go
Bob
that
down
way,
there.
guys.
Never mind.
Hold up, hold up.
That's too easy.
Okay.
Aw, too easy.
Actually, it's not, but I'm not gonna tell you.
Okay.
We're going up there.
Do we have to crawl through that thingy? I hope not.
We'll see.
Oh no.
I want to go.
Honestly, that looks so much fun.
Would you come with us?
Yes.
Now, this being the first room, it's not very big, but this is where we are right now. From this room says a maze cave. There's several passages. There's one we came in. There's down there, but that gets really, 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 really tight. So we're not going to go down there. Gets down to about that big around.
My sized.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I've been down there a couple of times, and it's a struggle. So I'm not gonna do that unless I promised the owner I wouldn't take anything down there. There's this passage here, which is, it's all right. There's one right behind that rock there. It's all right. We're gonna go up here.
What?
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright, Olivia, start
Yeah.
working your way around.
It's
There are a couple
climbing
ways to do this.
time.
Girls, listen so you know how to do it.
Okay.
Trade spots.
This rock here,
Megan! Jeez!
Girls.
You hit me in the face.
Easy.
some people like to just stoop underneath this rock, just on the other side of this rock, not all the way back, but on the other side of this rock. You can pop up here, and then climb up there.
How about you
Okay?
show us?
Or some people prefer to go on the outside, which is 1 foot here, hold on to either side of this, here, and just go up, okay?
Okay.
Now, if you're gonna go on the outside like that, I have to spot you. It's just rules and regulations for safety. But if you're gonna go under here, you don't need a spot because you're pretty well
Tell us about popping up, what that means.
Okay. Who wants to go this way? You first.
Oh, I know. That's great.
That's
That's
great.
great.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Okay. You want to go on the outside?
Yep.
Okay, hold on for a second. Who wants to go underneath?
I don't know.
Want to go underneath? Come here.
Okay.
Okay, you go here, and just on the other side here, like where my hand is, come up. Now you see this hole in the wall?
Yeah.
If you stick your foot in there, you can back yourself up
Okay.
and sit on that ledge there. Yeah, there's Papa.
Popping up.
In a box. It's Olivia in a box.
Olivia in a cave.
And that's it, that's it. Just go up that way.
Okay.
Oh, Mrs. Sutter's going.
No, I'm just looking,
Just taking a look.
taking a look. It's really cool looking.
All right. Has anybody done a road course at camp or?
Yeah.
Okay, so you know, have you done any spotting?
Yeah.
So you know the spoons, forks? Did they teach you that? We do use spoons, not forks. Okay, so
Olivia,
take care of your friends, okay? If they need a spot, just give them a spot.
throw
Okay.
Jimba.
Who wants to do this one?
I'll do it.
All right, let's go for it.
Take your time, Joe.
Put 1 foot here, and you want your right foot here. Right foot there. Put your left foot on this. Now hold on to that stump, and up here on the shelf. Okay, keep your body over top of your feet here. Okay, don't let your body go back. Okay, now push up until this foot comes right here. Okay, that's it. That's it.
Yes.
Woo!
Awesome, awesome. Now you guys are gonna head up there. When you can just step out of this crack up, just go there. Just stay away from the edge, okay? Because if you fall, you'll land on me.
pass this
and
off to
I'll
Abby.
get hurt and cry.
You're in charge of this for now. I'm going up, so Megan, you pass it up to her.
Pass
No,
it.
don't climb up to
when I get
that
up
part.
there.
Keep
Pass
going,
it
keep
to
going till you're up into that room.
Let's pass it to Olivia.
Okay, who's next?
I'll go.
Did he say that?
All right.
I'm gonna go under.
Okay, you go ahead. I don't want the spot you going under. If you want to go under, just go on under.
Okay, I'm
And then,
going.
anybody want to do the outside?
I'm doing the outside.
Okay.
I'm back with Jimbo.
Are you going on?